Guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at this really cool pool cleaning robot. This is a battery-powered one. This is the Beatbot Surface Smart Return AI pool cleaning robot, the Sora 30. This has got a lot of great features. I want to point out just a couple of those real quick, and then we're going to dive into the details. First off, the value this provides. This is a very good value. For the price that you pay for this, you get a lot of great features. You get a very big filtering capacity and a unique 4-zone cleaning feature. So it'll clean the floor, the walls, the waterline, and shallow platform areas as well. It has very powerful suction, 6,800 gallons per hour of suction power. It has a large 10,000 milliamp battery and up to 5 hours of floor cleaning runtime. And one feature that I really like that Beatbot offers is the surface parking. When it's finished cleaning, it's going to park itself on the surface. It's going to exhaust the water out, so it makes it easy and light to pull out of the water. We're going to go through the full unboxing. We're going to go through the full review as we get it into the pool, clean the pool up, and we're going to show you all the features and go through the details. Let's go through the unboxing to see everything we get here. We open up, we've got a really nice quick start guide. It goes through just a few simple steps of how to get started here. So we'll go through that in more detail. We have our user manual for more details. We can put this on our swimming pool pole and retrieve it out of the bottom if we need to. Okay, here's our charging port. We're just going to take this sticker off. This is where we're going to be able to charge it with the charging plug, and this is where we can set our different modes. We've got our charging indicator right here. When this is pulsing green, that means it's charging. On the underside, we're checking out the brushes here. The brush here and this one on this side are both connected with this track here. So as it moves, you got two independently moving on each side. You've got the track here, and this is where our vacuum inlet is. There is some rubber tabs here. It's going to help with suction as it's climbing the wall and then trapping the debris and funneling it into the basket. On the back side here, we have our ultrasonic sensors. We've got a handle. This is where we can drop it into the pool with or use the hook to hook it on right here. And then this section here, we're going to open up and look at our filter basket. Little blue handle right here. This pulls out. It has an impressive 6 liters of debris capacity with 150 micron filtration for daily cleaning. You also have this one-way door here, so that way when you pull this out of the water, it's not going to let all of this debris back inside of the pool. The basket back in, the lid cover goes on really easily. We just put these tabs in right there in the front, and we just snap it down. Okay, the charger is very easy to use. We're just going to plug in the charger to a standard outlet. Plug that in, and this has a unique plug on the front of it here. It goes into this slot right here. You do want to make sure that it gets fully seated in there. Push it nice and tight, and then we're going to let it charge up. On our quick start guide here, we can just scan the QR code here and download the Beatbot app. Once we download the app, we're going to create an account. We're going to sign in, and now I'm going to add a product here. So we're going to allow it to use our camera. We're going to add this Sora 30. We're going to add our Wi-Fi. It will also automatically check for new firmware, and we want to continue and have this to update to the latest firmware. So here in the app's kind of interface here, it shows us the weather. This is going to show, we can go to the park mode. Under the different modes, we can choose standard, floor, or eco mode. Now under eco mode, basically it'll clean for 45 minutes and then stays there, and it'll keep doing that until it runs out of battery every 48 hours. So if you want it to run for a week, it'd go every two days, 45 minutes of time to keep the pool clean. All right, we're all charged up. We'll get this in the pool now. There's a mode selector switch here on the front, which makes it nice and easy. We can do it from the app, or we can do it right here. We're going to go on the left one. This is the standard mode. This is going to do the floor, wall, and water line. Over here is the preset. This just does the floor. So what we do is just slide it over for 1 second. That goes back to the middle. We've selected our mode here. We've got a few lights. See, we got the light on here. Now we're just going to carefully just kind of lower it into the pool, let it go to the bottom. It takes a few minutes to start up, and then it'll start the cycle. It does have a ballast tank, so as it turns on, it will exhaust the air out, and it'll go down to the bottom. With the robot down on the bottom, it'll start its cleaning cycle. This will be a full 5-hour cycle, and it will be a good test for this robot. I do have some dirt and debris down in the bottom of my pool here. You can see some dirt here, and we'll see how well it does. The Beatbot Sora 30 has an industry-leading 6,800 gallons per hour of suction power. It captures debris like leaves, sand, dirt, mud, and even algae in a single pass without clogging. The 2 sets of innovative brushes at the front and back deliver wider coverage, tighter turns, and stronger traction for effortless wall, floor, and waterline cleaning, all while avoiding obstacles. Here, the Sora 30 is on one of my longer stairs, showing its platform and stair cleaning abilities. The Sora 30 features the Sonic Sense AI ultrasonic obstacle avoidance system, which uses real-time ultrasonic signals and AI algorithms to identify true obstacles, reduces misjudgments from water reflections or pool wall noise, and supports more reliable turns and efficient cleaning coverage. It will intelligently plan the cleaning path according to the pool shape, reducing repeated collisions, and improve cleaning efficiency. The dual group roller brush system helps it effortlessly climb the walls and clean the waterline. It does great on all pool types and surfaces such as vinyl, fiberglass, ceramic, concrete, and PebbleTech, and can navigate all different types and shapes of pools, such as curved, round, rectangular, or even complex pools with shallow platforms. In this time lapse, I have the robot on floor cleaning mode only. My pool shape and contours make it difficult for pool robots. I have no flat surfaces on the walls and curved transitions from the wall to the floor, which often confuses pool robots. The Sora 30 uses optimized S-shaped cleaning passes for maximum coverage of the floor, and the advanced algorithms adjust cleaning routes, which reduce repeated passes of the same area and reduces cleaning time and delivers reliable results. Now, when the battery runs low and it's done with its cleaning cycle, it will exhaust the water, float to the surface, and park near the wall of the pool for easy retrieval. Now, as I pick this up, I'll drain the remaining water out, pick it up, and we can get the filter basket cleaned out. All right, just getting the robot out of the water here, just checking the pool. The pool is very clean. The bottom is just spotless. No debris left behind. Really did a great job cleaning it. As far as the walls, water line, the bottom, did a great job cleaning it up. So really impressed with how well it did. Now I'm going to open up the filter compartment and we're going to see all the stuff that we collected here. Quite a bit. All right, as I suspected, this cleaned up really easily. It sprayed out nice. I like this open area because when you turn it over, you can spray out the bottom and the debris comes out of this end here. And before I put the basket back, I'm just going to spray off the robot and spray out the inside here. All right, I'm going to put my basket back in, put my cover on. I'm going to dry it off, and then I'm going to get it charged up. All right, guys, so I've had a few days to test out this robot, and one thing comes to mind when I think about this robot, and that is just ease of use. This is extremely easy to use. I really like the controls. Simple, easy switch on the front to switch the different modes. Charges very easily. I love the 5-hour battery. That's huge. Strong suction, and of course, the return to surface parking after it's done. That's innovative, extremely easy. The filter basket holds a lot of debris, and it's extremely easy to use. So guys, this robot is extremely impressive. It has a lot of great features for the price point. For current pricing, be sure to see the link to this in the description. Over the course of a 5-hour run cycle, it went up and down the walls, on the floor. It really went everywhere multiple times, so it got it extremely clean. The app is extremely easy to use, and then the eco mode. Eco mode is cool. I'm really interested in the eco mode, where you can charge it up, you put it in the pool, and then it goes once every 2 days for 45 minutes. Because sometimes I don't use my pool all the time. It might be a week or a week and a half between times I use it. I can just leave it in the pool. It'll clean every 2 days for 45 minutes. So I like the eco mode. So this gets the Mike's Garage thumbs up. This is highly recommended. If you're in the market for a robot, guys, be sure to check this out. See the link to this in the description down below. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.